Let's expand a plus 2b all to the power of 4 using binomial theorem. The highest power here is 4. Hence, I will start with 4 combination 0. The next is 4 combination 1. The next is 4 combination 2. The next is 4 combination 3. And the next is 4 combination 4. Once I get to 4 combination 4, I stop. If here were 5, I will stop at 5 combination 5. If I got 3 here, I will stop at 3 combination 3. The highest power here will determine where you are going to stop. When the superscript and the subscript are the same, you stop. Next, this is a, which is the first variable in the bracket. Hence, I'm going to have a, and a. Next, this is 4. I will start with 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The next one is 2b. Hence, I will have 2b, 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 and 2b. Next, these 2b are together. Hence, I will put both in a bracket. This is 4, which went to the first variable, and this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these are multiplying. If we solve each of these terms, we're going to put it together here, and that will become our answer. Next, we're going to find the values for each of these terms. Next, we're going to find 4 combination 0. If you decide to use your calculator, you're going to press 4 shift or second function divide. If you press second function divide, you're going to get C on your calculator. Then you're going to type 0. If you press the equal sign, you're going to get 1 on your calculator. Another way to find the value of by using the formula n combination r will give you n factorial over n minus r factorial r factorial. Hence, 4 combination 0 will give you 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 0 factorial times 0 factorial. And you will have 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 4 minus 0 is 4. Then you're going to get 0 factorial. This will cancel this, and you end up having 1 over 0 factorial. 1 over 0 is not allowed to be at the denominator of any variable or any number. But here, this is 0 factorial. And 0 factorial is 1. And 1 divided by 1 is 1. Hence, we can use this formula to find each of these combination. Another way to find 4 combination 0 and each of these combination is by using the PASCAL triangle, where we're going to have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. We end with 1. We start with 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. We end with 1. 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. We end with 1. And we can have 1. This 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 1 is 5. We end with 1. But the highest power here is 4. Because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes like a triangle. Hence, we are going to be needing the coefficient of this. For 4 combination 0, we are going to have 1. Next, for 4 combination 1, we are going to have 4. Next, for 4 combination 2, we are going to have 6. Next, for 4 combination 3, we are going to have 4. Next, for 4 combination 4, we are going to have 1. You see, you can use your calculator or the formula or the PASCAL triangle to obtain the coefficient of each of the terms. You can do this for any binomial expansion problem, considering the highest power in the expansion. Next, each of these are multiplying. We have a to the power of 4, a to the power of 3, a to the power of 2, a, and here we have 1, because anything to the power of 0 is 1, and each of these are multiplying. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, and this is 2 to the power of 1 and b to the power of 1. This is 2 to the power of 2 and b to the power of 2. This is 2 to the power of 3, b to the power of 3. And this is 2 to the power of 4 and b to the power of 4. Next, we're going to simplify each of these further. For the first one, our answer is a to the power of 4. For the next one, this is 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4 will give you 8. And this is a to the power of 3, and this is b. This is 2 squared, which is 2 times 2, and it is 4. 4 multiplied by 6 will give you 24. Here you have a squared, and here you have b also squared. Next, this is 2 to the power of 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2, and it's going to give you 8. 8 multiplied by 4, you're going to get 32. And this is A, and this is B to the power of 3. Next, we have 2 to the power of 4, which is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, and times 2 will give you 16. 16 multiplied by 1 is 16, and 16 multiplied by 1 will return 16. And this is B to the power of 4. Now we have found the answers to each of these terms. Next, we are going to put all this together in one line, and we're going to have A to the power of 4 plus 8A to the power of 3B plus 24 A to the power of 2, B to the power of 2, and we're going to have plus 32A, B to the power of 3, plus 16B to the power of 4. For a minus replacing plus here, this will become a minus, this will become a minus, and these two each will have a minus inside this bracket. If this were a minus, and this minus 2b will be inside each of these brackets, this will equally affect each of these as well. These two will be in a bracket being squared or raised to the power of 3 or raised to the power of 4. This minus is inside the bracket. Everything here raised to the power of 0 will be 1. So nothing will change for this first term. For this second term, you see that I gave the minus 2 to a separate bracket, leaving b, the variable, alone. And I did the same thing for each of these terms. Minus 2 will multiply 4, and you're going to get minus 8. For the next term, minus 2 times minus 2 twice will give you 4. So 4 times 6 will give you plus 24. Everything remains the same. For the third term, this is minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, 3 times. Minus 2 times minus 2 is 4, and 4 multiply the next minus 2 will give you minus 8. Minus 8 times 4 will give you minus 32. And this is A, and this is B to the power of 3. This will give you minus 2 in 4 places. Minus 2 times minus 2 will give you 4. 4 multiply minus 2 will give you minus 8. And minus 8 multiply minus 2 will give you plus 16. And this is 16 multiply b to the power of 4, which is here. You can say that this is a to the power of 4, and the next one is minus 8a to the power of 3b, and the next one is 24a squared b squared, and the next one is minus 32a b to the power of 3, and the last one is 16b to the power of 4. We solve this like this when it is a minus.